I got a quick story time for you all. You should label the things you put in your refrigerator. So I'm minding my own black-owned business like I tend to do. And I said, let me make me some juice. I got a new juicer. I put some beets, some apples, a cucumber, a little cantaloupe. I was feeling good. But alas, my taste buds said, this could be sweeter. So I said, you know what? I had made like a simple syrup, nectar style thing and put it in a bottle in the refrigerator. So I reach into the Frigidaire and I grab a bottle, this one, and I say, this is the nectar I made. It changed color, but this should be okay. So I drink and I'm like, well, this tastes off. Like it doesn't taste anything like the nectar. I know sometimes you refrigerate things, the slow fermentation happens in the refrigerator and it just goes off. But I'm like, why doesn't it taste like anything? And I've been sitting here for the last 2 hours trying to figure it out. When it was this bottle that I put the nectar in, because I said I didn't want the light, I remember now, to negatively impact the flavor. I've been drinking the aloe hair stuff I made for my hair. The taste I couldn't place was the oils I use, the essential oils I use for my hair. And now that's something you know about me.